Hello, this is Lorrie Hargis, registered aromatherapist and the master teacher of the Lorrie Hargis International School of Aromatherapy. And today I'm so happy to be sharing with you about lime essential oil, Citrus aurantifolium. And this essential oil is cold pressed, and the origin of it is either Mexico, the US, or Brazil. And here I'm in California with lime, and here's the blossom of it. Isn't it just absolutely gorgeous, the lime blossom? Well, the aroma of lime essential oil, it's fruity, it's fresh, it's sweet, it's just a little tart with an aspect of spice to it. It can really help you let go of things such as grief. And for the mind system in my book, I talk about how you can use it for anxiety, loss, depression, and abandonment, which are all symptoms of grief. And as we release and let go of our loved one, or the home, or the job, whatever it is that you're grieving, it could be your lovely cat or dog. Remember that lime essential oil can help you do that. So this formulation I'm going to give you today has 6 drops of lime to help you release and let go, 3 drops of rose to open your heart, because when we're grieving, sometimes we can hold it back and suppress it. And it will open up your heart so you can be open to new things in your life, forgive and let go. And then pine for any shame, blame, or the shame or blame game, right? Maybe people have blamed you for something and you need to let that go, and you've had guilt over it, but it's not doing you any good. So that's what pine is all about. Then you're going to put it in 1 ounce of carrier oil, olive or sunflower oil or almond or apricot oil, the carrier oil of your choice. Put it in a roll-on bottle, rub it between your hands to thoroughly mix all the ingredients. And then what you're going to do is you are going to roll it on your temples, the back of your neck, your heart, your solar plexus. Make sure that when you go out in the sun, you only put it on your heart and your solar plex area, because the lime in the formulation makes it phototoxic. Contraindications: do not use with children or in pregnancy. If you want to use it on children 3 to 12, go to my book, Common Sense: A Practical Guide to Aromatherapy, and there you'll learn how to make the dosage correct for the different age groups. And please share this information with your friends, family, colleagues, because grief is what we're all going through right now in this pandemic, and let's get out of it. Let's release it, let it go, and go on with our lives, because life continues, right? And it's going to be new. We're going to have new changes. So do your best not to suppress your grief, let it go, and have essential oils such as lime, rose, and pine to help you do that. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, check out my book, and our new class schedule for 2021. We've got great stuff coming on here. And also my aromatherapy certification program. Get signed up for that and become a certified aromatherapist. Don't forget your essentials, use your common sense, and check out all of this information at lorriehargis.com. Au revoir.